Have a seat.
Did he say how long he'd be?
No, he won't be long. Where you been tonight?
Just down at the Zanoni.
Zanoni's, huh? Oh, yeah. Is anyone there you know? Talk to anyone you know?
There's nobody there that I know.
Oh, well, I was about to have a shot, but, you want some?
What is it?
Oh, it's fun.
Oh, she's just going home.
It's fun. Have some. Go ahead. Come on. Come put your arm out. Come on. There you go. That's it. There we go. We can. You been talking to the cops?
What? About what?
About anything.
No. It's none of my business.
Yeah, it's your business, isn't it? And when you're in love with someone, you're whispering sweet nothings in their ears. Hey, look at me. Look at me. I got a call from someone who told me that you've been talking to the cops.
What cops?
Oh, you're down at Zanoni's. You can tell me. You been talking to the cops? Come here. Come here, baby.
Fuck, Pope. Pope, what the fuck are you doing? The fuck are you doing, Pope? Pope, what are you doing? Pope! Pope! Pope, what are you doing? Please, Pope, stop it, please. Andrew, please. Pope, what are you doing? Shit, man.
You gone and done it again, haven't you, Darren? You've smoked yourself silly. Think something's going on.